Hey folks, Adam here, and we are checking out an exclusive and impressive dash cam that's recording in 4K in the front and an incredible HD image out the back. This is a front and rear dash cam 4K GPS tracking to where you know your location. This has 5G Wi-Fi to transfer data straight to your phone quickly and efficiently, and it has a 24-hour park monitor option that I love as well. So we're going to go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. Now, before we do that, I got to say, I love this company. They're really a premier brand. So let's go ahead and take a look at the details. All right, folks, so as we show you some use footage, I got to tell you this dash cam with both front and rear cameras is absolutely fantastic. You can use it in 4K right in the front, and I love using that rear camera to make sure we're protected and covered top to bottom, stem to stern. Now it has 5G Wi-Fi. What does that mean to you? That means that you can transfer that beautiful video image to your phone remarkably quick. They've just done a great job with a high quality connection that isn't going to weigh you down and take a long period of time to transfer the data. It's going to be right there for you. It's also got two great parking modes. So it's got collision detection and will automatically record footage and store it for you if there's any sort of shock to that G sensor. And there's also a time-lapse parking mode that takes a picture just about every second to where you are constantly covered when you're parked and it's not wasting energy. So a very smart design there. And you can get that park mode set up with the optional hardwire kit to run it right into your car's battery. That is really next level. So the things I like most, it's got GPS, so you know exactly where your video is, 170-degree widescreen WDR, it's got 5G Wi-Fi, and 4K beautiful images to where you can even see license plates and you can make out faces and descriptions perfectly. And then night vision on this is second to none. It's even got voice guidance to where it'll talk to you a little bit. Parking monitor, loop recording, and 64 gigabytes of storage on the TF card to make sure that you can go back. And you know what? I absolutely love the fact that this has a microphone to where everything is being recorded and you are ultimately very safe. I've used this before. If people have kind of cut into my car, cut me off, they'll say that I rear-ended them. That happened once. And I was able to say, no, you pulled into me, and it saved me a lawsuit. So having this camera has already paid for itself. And that's a big thing. You have cameras in the front and rear of your car to where everything is covered, and nobody can say you're at fault when you're not. Because there's a lot of dishonest people who will hit your car and then claim it was your fault. And I absolutely love how crystal clear this is to where there's going to be no questions. Every line in the road, every license plate, every person's face is clearly recorded. And it has a very nice voice prompt, whether it says recording is started, emergency video, parking mode is on, audio is off, Wi-Fi is connected. It's going to talk to you to where you know exactly what's going on this device.
Emergency video.
It's also using the latest H.265 to make sure the video isn't taking up unnecessary space. So they're just the latest technology, and that means that you're getting the best value, the best product, and it's not breaking the bank either, and that makes me happy. So yeah, driving with this system in place really made me feel a lot more safe and secure. It was easy to set up. They gave you all the adhesive, all the things you need, all the wiring, all included in the package. And again, it's a premier brand that we've grown to love. So at this point in the video, I'm going to give you a hard push to go pick this up. All the information you need to go pick this up, you're going to want to put it in your cart. And of course, it gets our shining review. We're at the point in our career that we don't have to just show you any product that comes through. We can show you the elite brands, and this one is a great brand that won't break the bank. So go ahead and pick it up, and you can watch the up close portion of the video if you need even more information. But my honest opinion, pick up as many as you can. Thanks for watching and stick around for the up close portion of our video. Oh yeah. All right folks, now it's time for our up close portion of the video. You can see here's the dash cam for front and rear, 4K front with 1080p rear. It's got the GPS tracking, the 5 gig Wi-Fi and that parking monitor. This is the DC42 4K Wi-Fi. Again, crystal clear image. It's got that WDR for super night vision. The 5G to transfer your files quickly and efficiently, and that loop recording that we've all come to love. It's a premier company that from top to bottom, stem to stern, has had you covered. They've just done a great job, and they have a great reputation in the industry. Then you have your main head unit here with that 4K and Wi-Fi coverage with the adhesive that goes right here that will adjust perfectly for any dashboard. You gotta love that. They've done a great job of making a very small unit that isn't blocking much visible space. You can put it right next to your rear view mirror. There's your rear camera, that 1080p camera that is really a record-setting camera. You've got all the accessories for wiring it into your outlets and for that rear camera. And they've even given you mounting apparatus, adhesive, and that good quality adhesive right there. So this is a straightforward, easy device to use. You can see it'll record. You got your microphone light, everything there. And you've got a great design from a tremendous brand. So folks, if you're looking for something that won't leave you in the dust, well, guess what? This is going to make sure you're protected from top to bottom and stem to stern. It's a Red Dot Design Award winner. And we love it, and we know you're going to love it too. Folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.